Hey, do these look familiar? Anyone get these in the mail recently saying my property notice valuation is changing and it's going up hundred and some $1,000, $287,000, $333,000, $126,000. So what is this? It is an evaluation of your property tax assessment. And I want to show you a little bit about what's going on. So first of all, when we look at the Denver housing market right here, and I got a couple of charts, they look at this in terms of sales from in the past. And it's June of 2022. They're looking at sales basically in a 2-year window here. Well, you can tell looking at this map that in April we kind of hit our peak as far as pricing is concerned, and it's dropped down from there. On another presentation got from Land Title, and this isn't current to today, but you can kind of see in 2022 where we had hit our peak. That's the values that they're using to comp the value of your house today. So this is one of those rare times that you really are going to love the idea of your home might not be worth as much as you thought it was, because it's going to reduce your taxes. So just so you know, out of the gate, they're looking at a window of time for sales that have already taken place. So it's a lagging indicator that they're determining the value. How do we dispute it? All right, so depending upon the county that you're looking at, you're going to want to go to their county website, and it's pretty simple. If you look at this for homeowners in Douglas County, I'm going to do a couple of them here. They've got file and online appeal, and you can literally go on, click the online appeals button, and it's going to show you how to go about doing this. Now, one of the things I want to talk about is there is a protest form that they've got. And keep in mind, right here is where it says the approach to value sales is the 24-month period ending June 30th in 2022. So this is a lagging indicator. That's part of the problem that we're facing right here. Arapaho County is the same thing. If you're on the Arapaho County page, you want to go to departments, right? And you're looking for the county assessors page. And then once you're on the assessors page, there is the same thing where you can look at how to go about appealing it. So I can look at property search right here, and it's going to pull this up, and there is you actually pull up your actual property address and you can appeal it right here. So it also comes up under the how do I, and you can hit appeal taxes. And here it gives you the procedures in order to do so. It'll take you right to what you need to do. So a couple of things. You want to provide them some data. You definitely want to appeal it. There's zero downside to appealing it. Why are properties priced higher than yours or valued more? Probably they're updated. Maybe additional square footage. You're always going to put in your comments, home has not been updated. And provide them comps if you can. Now, realtors can provide you some comps that you can utilize in order to say, hey, listen, my house isn't worth as much. But what you want to do on every one of these is you want to go to the county website and find out where the appeals process is on here and look it up. Same thing when we're looking at Arapaho County. You can appeal online, and just so you know, they're looking at the values of those properties. And it says sales that occurred after June 30th can't be considered. So you're going to want to find things that had sold previously. And once I said, that's a great opportunity to reach out to your real estate agent and say, how can you help me determine some sales that happened prior to this? So we can pull those up. There is a system called Value Check that they can pop on and help provide you some information. If you've got questions on this, don't hesitate to reach out and give me a call as well, and we can walk through this. But you're going to want a little bit of information here. Douglas County does a good job. You tell me why it's overpriced, and you can tell them, look, I haven't updated it. It's the same carpet, same paint, whatever it is. Property was dated when I bought it. I bought it for X price, and provide them any data and information possible in order to help them to see that the home is not worth what it currently is. If you don't appeal it or lose your appeal, it tells you what your new tax rate's going to be. We're seeing them increase by 150% or so. People that are paying $3,000 last month or $4,500 last year or $4,500 this year. So it's definitely worth taking the time and filing an online appeal. questions on this, don't hesitate to reach out and give me a call and do what I can. And if you don't have a good realtor that's willing to take the time to help you figure out what some comps are and help you reduce this, give me a call. I've got plenty of good ones that we can work with. All right, thanks so much. Have a great day. Best of luck with your appeal.